In this video I'm going to show you how to combine first and last names in Google Sheets automatically. So what we will have is a column with first names and a column with last names, and we would like to combine them in this column together. So what we will do, select the cell next to the first line of names and we will use the concatenate formula. So we will type concatenate and here you will have it. Now you can select the first name, then place a comma, then we will use the speed sign, a space, another speed sign, then we will use another comma and we will select the last name. Now you can close it with a bracket and then enter. And as you can see, we have automatically already set the first name and last name together in this cell. If you would like to do this for the other names, then you can use the autofill option. Just select the check mark and it will be automatically filled in for the other names. And this is how you combine first and last names in Google Sheets very easily. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!